Dear learners, I welcome you all in our today's offline video lecture of class 12 information practices, and our today's topic are components of Visual Basic IDE, that is integrated development environment window. I have discussed this topic yesterday, and today we will be discussing it in detail, various components of Visual Basic IDE. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHS Dragmulla. Now start with components of Visual Basic IDE window. I repeat students, you can look at your screen. You have a title bar at the top. Below the title bar there is a menu bar. Below the menu bar there is a standard toolbar. At the extreme left there is a toolbox which consists of 21 intrinsic controls. There is a form window between in the window. There is also a project explorer on the right side, and at the bottom of the project explorer there is a form layout window. So these are the various components of the Visual Basic IDE. Now we will discuss them in detail. First is title bar. A title bar is a horizontal bar located on the top of the screen. It includes a project name, an icon that closes Visual Basic at the left, and icon that minimizes the group window, change the size of the group, or close Visual Basic on right. This component common for all window application. Menu bar. The menu bar is also common for all document windows. It contains command required and built-in application. The main menu items have some menu items that can be chosen when needed. Toolbar. The toolbar gives us quick access to commonly used menu commands. Besides the main toolbar, which is displayed by default window, the menu bar, Visual Basic IDE provides additional toolbar for specific purpose. The four built-in toolbar are standard, edit, debug, and from editor. By default, standard toolbar appears immediately below the menu bar. Project Explorer window. The docked on the right side of the screen and just below the standard toolbar is the Project Explorer window. The Project Explorer window serves as a quick reference to the various elements of a project, namely form, class, and module. All the objects that make up the application are packed on a project. The Project Explorer window holds the file name or for the file included in our project. A window title bar holds the name our project .vbpe file extension, which is project 1 by default until we save it with a new name. A simple project typically contains one form, which is window that is designed as part of the program interface. It is possible to develop any types of forms in a program. Toolbox. Students, toolbox. The toolbox window contains the icon of the control we can place on a form to create the application user interface. By default, toolbox contains a pointer icon and 20 other icons of X controls. The toolbox appears on the left side of the screen by default. So users can use these intrinsic controls in the 2X to design a form. Next is properties window. Every object has a properties associated with the properties window is docked under the Project Explorer window. The properties window allows us to change or assign the properties associated with a particular object. Properties are attributes such as size, position, like a form. Each control has its own set of properties. Form layout window. The form layout window specifies a form position on the screen at a right time. The form layout window appears below the properties window. It consists of an image representing the screen and a form's relative position on the screen. So students, and next is project window and code window. Only one project window will appear in the screen when we open Visual Basic window. The project window appears beside the form window. Users can not only another project in the current screen. By default name, the project is project 1 and its file name is project1.vbp. But users can change project name as well as project file as needed. Code window. Normally code window does not appear on the screen because it is automatically hidden. When we double click any control in the form, a code window will open. Visual Basic code window consists of two list boxes. Both list boxes appear on the top of the code window. The leftmost list box is called the object list box, and the rightmost list box is called procedure list box. Students, this is it for today's topic of the components of Visual Basic in detail. Students, let us revise this topic till we come up with more and more interesting topics related to your syllabus. Students, stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.